How y'all doing, YouTube? Just put a little gas in her and some 2-cycle. Just coming on today, letting you know I done kind of fixed the port up, and I just kind of like opened up wire. The reason why I shut it off when I had put the upload up on the short, because I ain't put that much gas on. I just wanted to test her. But hold on for a minute. I'm gonna crank up for y'all and let her know she worked. She was official when I had finished, tuning up and addressing the problem. Prime up right quick. I'll get back. You see, she's still smoking right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use it till she done it through. Yeah, she hot. Yeah. Yeah, she go. She'll go. What I'm doing, I'm seeing she losing a little bit too much right there. So I'm gonna put that filter on this one. But this is a different one for the muffler, cause that's just a screen. So I'm gonna put that screen back up on it, cause she pouring too much out. She shooting, she doing it real good too. But she in tip top shape though. But don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe. And peace.